Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can generate a proper call in charting. That means, suppose you have some condition and you want to screen with these conditions. So you have to make a screener in charting and it will give you a list of stocks from your watch list or maybe in cash market or future market. So once you have a list of stocks, then you must have what will be the entry price, what will be the target and what will be the stop loss. So if you can generate the target, stop loss and entry point by the time of getting the stock list, then it will be very helpful. So for an example, let's go to trading view and I'll show you how it will help you. So once you have a screener, it will give you some stocks for bullish or bearish, for buy or sell. Now if you are getting just this signal, so it's a buy signal, but what will be your entry price, what will be the target and what will be the stop loss, then if you don't have any idea about that, then how you will trade? So you are just getting the signal, that is not enough to place a proper call. That means suppose you are trading in intraday or positional, then you must have what will be your stop loss and what are the targets. If you have multiple targets, if you have multiple position, then you can sell your 50% on the first target and you can carry forward for higher target. So in this kind of trade, you cannot take with just bullish or bearish or buy or sell signal. For that you need a proper call, that is entry, target 1, target 2, target 3 or stop loss. So I will show you how you can generate. At the time of getting the stocks, you will get the all the information for that particular stock in charting. So let's go to charting and we will describe in depth. Now here I am going to use dashboard. Actually I already made a video on dashboard in my charting playlist. If you don't have any idea about dashboard, then you can just go through once. It will give you some clarity how to make a dashboard, how to add some table and how to add some column on the tables. So just go through once, you will get it properly. Now here I am going to create a new dashboard. Let me give a name, generate call. So let me open. Now here I am going to add some table. So I will click on the table. Here already some templates available. If you want to create a new one, then you have to click on the start fresh. Now at the very beginning, we need to develop the screener first. Once you have the stocks from your watch list or your cash market or future market, then only we will look for the target and stop loss. So first you have to develop the screener in filters. In filters, we are just creating the screener first. Here I am taking two moving averages and we are looking for the crossover. Let me take SMA and crossed above SMA. Now let me take the length as 50. So we are looking for two SMA. One is the 20 and SMA 20 and 50 crossover. So if I hit run, then it will ask you to add some column name, because we are creating a table without column, it's meaningless. So in the column we have to add some column. So let me take close and let me rename the header close. So if I hit run, then it will give you some stock list with closing price. Now for an example, let's take Apollo Hospital and let's see Apollo Hospital in the chart. Now look at here, in the last candle we are getting the buy signal. So what will be our target and what will be our stop loss? So stop loss may be the minimum of last two candles. So this is our stop loss. So in this case, this will be the stop loss. So here we can see the exact figure. So low of this candle is equal to 4500. So let's implement the logic in the column section. So the logic will be minimum of low and 2. So let's hit run. For Apollo Hospital, we can see 4500 is your stop loss. So it's exactly the same, 4500. Now we are looking for the target. What will be the target? Now let me rename is as a this one as a stop loss but SL. So let me run it. Now this is the closing price, this is your SL. Now we are looking for the target. So what will be the target? Target may be the double of this your stop loss, or maybe the same as your stop loss, 1:1 ratio or 1:2. Maybe it's up to you, depend on your logic. So for in this case I am taking 1:1 ratio. So our target will be the closing price. This is your entry price, closing plus this much. So closing plus bracket. So here I am taking the distance of I mean actually what is the stop loss as a point. So close minus minimum low, and here I am taking 2. So this is our target. So target. Now let's run. Now here is the target. So your stop loss was 4500 and your target is 4705. So let's check. Now let's take the long position. Now let's try it. And let's give you the exact target. How does it look like? So your now look at here, this is pretty much the same 1:1 ratio. So this one is your target and this is your stop loss. Like that we can actually take the trade. So now let me rename the closing price as your entry price. Now you are getting some stock list with your entry price, stop loss and target. So this is your proper call. Now the logic is up to you. I am not taking the very good Skinner here, because the purpose of this video is to just show you how we can implement a table so that you will get a proper call or generate a proper call with entry price, target and stop loss. So this is the way we can develop a Skinner or table. It will give you actually the target, stop loss, everything. The logic may be different in your case. Actually it should be, because this is not a good Skinner, but I am just showing you that how you can implement this. So your Skinner will be yours and target and stop loss logic will be yours. So here you can develop a Skinner like that. Last swing low will be your stop loss and last swing high will be your target in buy case, and vice versa for sell. That also can be generated easily in charting. So it's up to you how you can what will be your logic for Skinner and what will be your logic for target and stop loss. Everything up to you, depends on you. So this is the way you can actually generate a table with entry price, stop loss, target. If you just create, if you just want to create some multiple targets, then you can actually add here in column section list of targets. If you have 2 or more targets, then you can actually add. So in this way we can generate a proper call with a real-time Skinner. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please be with me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.